Meralco plays its last game in the elims, hoping it won't be the last in the tourney. The Bolts, however, must hurdle a tough obstacle in the Barangay Ginebra Kings for a shot at a possible playoff crack at the 8th and last berth in the PBA Philippine Cup quarterfinals. Game time is at 7 p.m. at the Smart Araneta Coliseum Wednesday, with Kings, for their part, merely fighting for pride and positioning in the best-of-3 quarterfinals. The Kings have been eased out of the fight for the top two. At 6-3, the best they can get is no. 3 seeding in the playoffs if they sweep their last 2 games in the single round-robin elims. But Ginebra is assured of a spot in the pair of best-of-3 quarters series, even if they split or drop their last 2 matches. Needing to win badly are the Bolts, who are in a tight bind at 3-7. They must beat the Kings to gain a piece of 8th place at the close of the elims. Even then, the Bolts are not automatically assured of a playoff because of a possible multiple logjam at no. 8. Tournament format calls for just a single playoff for number 8, meaning the quotient tiebreak system will come into play. Going into the final 2 play dates of the tourney, still fighting to qualify for the quarters are Alaska Milk, 4-6, NLEX, 4-6, Northport, 3-6, Colombian Dip, 4-7, and Meralco, 3-7. Alas, the Bolts have to squeeze themselves into the playoffs with a badly crippled crew minus injury-hit veterans Ranildo Ocampo and Jared Dillinger. Meralco coach Norman Black said they would come out and try to dish out their very best. Ginebra is also determined to stay on a roll to keep momentum going into the playoffs. The Kings can catch up with the Elasto Painters at 8-3 with a sweep of the Bolts in the Northport Batang Pier. In that scenario, Ginebra will still settle for number 3 as they were beaten by Roz, 80-83, in a road tussle in Calaisiao, Pangasinan on Jan. 26.